Let's create the perfect holiday nails using pink tones, orange and yellow, all those summer vibrant colours that we know and love. First of all, we're going to start with our all-in-one base and top coat from Essie, just gliding it over each nail. Then we're going to go in with the pastel pink nail lacquer from Essie as our base colour. This will create a natural finish to the nails. We're going to use abstract swirls on the tips of the nails to create a fun look. We want to apply the colour in an abstract way so that it looks effortless and that it hasn't really been thought about in too much depth. When using other colours, I'm adding them to my nail palette. You can use any plate that you have at home to decant product onto, and then we're going to use our nail brush to complete the design. We're then going to layer underneath the main swirl to give that contrast and vibrance. Going to gently glide our nail brush underneath the main body of the swirl, trying carefully not to mix the two colours together. Once you have let your nails dry for about 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to apply the top coat and create the glossy high shine finish. And there we have it, our super fun holiday look that you can create in a variety of different colours. We are also going to apply the OPI cuticle oil to every nail, really nourishing the cuticle area for long-lasting polish wear.